Adidas reviews try on the World Cup 26 ball.
Channel CB.
Welcome to CB News. The countdown to the biggest sporting event on the planet has officially begun. With the FIFA World Cup 26 just around the corner, Adidas has unveiled the one piece of equipment every fan and player has been waiting for. Get ready to meet Trionda, the official match ball for the tournament in North America. All eyes will be on Canada, Mexico and the USA next June, and this ball is designed to celebrate that unity. The name itself, Trionda, tells the story. It combines tri for three and onda, the Spanish word for waves. The design is a direct homage to the three host nations. The ball's vibrant red, green and blue design reflects the colors of the host country's flags. Crafted with a brand new 4-panel construction, the fluid design geometry replicates the very waves in its name. And if you look closer, you will see the details that make this ball truly special. In the center of each panel, the colors connect in the form of a triangle, symbolizing the three nations coming together to host the tournament for the first time. Each country is also celebrated with its own unique iconography. There is a maple leaf for Canada, an eagle for Mexico, and a star for the USA. They aren't just printed on, they are also subtly embossed onto the matte base of the ball, giving it an incredible all-over texture. The design is finished with stunning gold embellishments, a fitting tribute to the FIFA World Cup trophy. It's a champion's color for the champion's ball. But the Trionda isn't just about looks. It's a piece of high-performance engineering. The 4-panel construction is designed with deep seams and strategically placed lines. This, along with the embossed icons, creates a surface that produces optimal in-flight stability, ensuring it flies true. Those embossed icons also provide extra grip, which will be vital for players dribbling and striking in wet or humid conditions. Trionda features the latest evolutions of Adidas connected ball technology. An innovative new motion sensor chip is now mounted in a spatial layer on the side of one panel rather than in the center. Counterweights in the other panels ensure the ball remains perfectly balanced. This system sends precise ball data to the video assistant referee or VAR in real time. When combined with player position data and AI, it will help officials make faster, more accurate offside decisions and even assist in identifying every touch of the ball to resolve potential handball situation more quickly. As Solon Storman, category director at Adidas, put it, Trionda is said to be a main character in the biggest show on earth, representing unity, celebrating its hosts and pushing the boundaries of technology. The Trionda is ready for the world stage. So what do you think of the new design? Is it the best World Cup ball yet? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe now for daily news and updates.